Alright guys, hey, I wanted to get back on this RC4 wheel drive scale motor here. Catan on one of the forums stated something about seeing all the different components. So I started taking the thing apart and I thought, you know what, I might as well do a video and show you guys how this thing comes apart. Now there's a lot of screws here, so I'm probably going to be cutting some of this out so you guys don't get bored with the screws. But what I'm going to start doing, I'm just going to start disassembling this and showing you all the component parts on it, and that way you can see exactly how this thing's been assembled. Okay, so first what we'll do, we're going to take care of this air cleaner. It's just one screw comes off. What's pretty cool here is it is two pieces. Okay, so I'll just put that over to the side here. Comes off next is the intake, which is really cool because you know, I don't know if down the road they're planning something else, but it's kind of cool that we can actually take the intake off. There it is right there, and look at that now. So next thing is taking the fuel, or the valve covers off. So let's do that. I'm trying to keep all these screws together so I don't get them mixed up. So let me try and do this quickly here. And there you have it. There's the valve cover. You can see that. I'm going to put the screws underneath it so I don't lose them. Okay, let's see what's next. We'll go in here, take these three out. And then I'm guessing these ones come out. One thing, these are small screws, so make sure you're using a magnetic screw catcher or something like that. This one here is my cow RC one that I've used from day one when this jumbo one came out. It looks a little ratty, but it brings back memories as I build things. So here we go. I mean, you guys, hopefully you can really see the detail on this. It's just amazing that they took the time to do each component part, which I look at it and just am mesmerized when I look at the detail. I mean, even the channels and everything that they did, everything was thought out very well. Okay. I had taken this off originally, so I only have one screw to take out of there. This one's going to take a while. I might, think I'm going to fast forward this one for you. Wow, 16 screws. My suggestion to you would be leave it on. Let me do the dirty work here. Here's the oil pan. 16 screws. Bottom half of the block, which you saw already in the previous pictures. That's the bottom half of the block. There you go, that's the bottom half. Top here, looks like I need a scale nut driver here. So I got my scale nut driver here. So there it is. And here's the top half of the motor, the block. Alright, so just wanted to let you guys see the details on each one of these pieces. It's just amazing how much detail they put into this. They could have very easily just threw something together that was only detailed on the outside, but I mean things that you really don't even see once you put it all together are still detailed out. So I think real RC4WD Drive really hit a home run on this one. I'm looking forward to seeing a lot of the builds that you guys are going to work these into. Just to let you know, this will be going into my Trail Finder 2, the blue one with the white stripes. I will be working on that probably in the next week, doing the install on that. So keep subscribed and keep an eye on the thread, and I will get that to you. All right. Hopefully you guys have ordered yours. Take care. I want to apologize for the autofocus that was on the camera. I didn't realize that until afterwards. I'm using a new software and didn't click off the autofocus. So hopefully this will be better. Next is going to be the actual transmission, scale transmission. I wanted to pull this apart, let you guys see this. One of the reasons why is I want to go in there and grease it up. So figured I'd do this teardown also so you guys can see it. This one looks pretty easy. It looks actually like a stacked assembly. You start in the back and everything pulls off. I'm guessing that inside here each stack has a gear in it, which makes it get to drive. So we'll see here in a second. Putting that motor back together, just make sure when you do it you screw the screws on. Don't tighten one down and then add another one. Put all the screws in loosely and then start tightening them like you do lug nuts or anything like that. Make sure that you do them so that it's even. Okay, pull the first one out here. Okay, we got our gear here. It's with our output shaft, and then it looks like that one's stuck in there. So we'll wait on that. I don't know if you can see in here. You can see there's like a sleeve in there of some sort. So let's go next. Let's go to the next level here. It looks like you need to take 3 off of this one. If you can see what I'm doing here, I'm doing it in layers so that I don't get mixed up on the screws. I'm not sure if there are different screws in each one, but this helps me keep them in order. You can see here, these screws here, that was for this. Now I'm going to pull this apart. Okay, this one here really doesn't, this is just a case. Then you got the rest of your gears here. Your bearing, you can take that off. And that one looks like it's locked in there. That's actually your spur, it looks like. So let me pull this apart. I'm lucky here too because I can look back on the video and see if I assemble it right. Okay, that was a case there, and then that's the whole transmission.